everyone, welcome back. So today I'm going to share how exactly I build a Studio Ghibli style ASMR video that people can't stop watching, and I mean it. What you're seeing on screen was not filmed, was not edited on a timeline, and didn't cost a single dollar. One of these channels has 88,000 subscribers with only 21 videos, and they are making thousands of dollars a month with no face, no voice, no paid software. Now here's what most people are missing. Most people think that all this because of the AI tools, but it doesn't. Now these AI tools are free and unlimited and available for everyone. But the magic is not just the AI tools, it's the system. It's the way the idea is chosen, the story is structured, and the visuals are engineered, so the brain stays calm and keeps watching. In the next few minutes, I will show you the entire workflow of creating these kind of Ghibli-style ASMR videos, and if you stay with me until the end, you will understand why people don't just watch these things, why they escape into these kind of videos. And now let's dive in. Step number 1, go to the video description and I have linked a Google document. Download it and open it. And now go to the title tab and copy the title generation prompt and paste it into the ChatGPT. Now here you have to make two important changes. First, set the number of title to 15 or more, whatever you want. Second, you have to scroll down and here there's a thing called primary task and enter the one task this video is about. For me, I'm choosing cooking. Only choose one task because if you choose many tasks, the viewers will get confused and we don't want that in this kind of ASMR video. This step matters more than most people realize because titles are not just labels. They are the instructions for the algorithm and for the viewers at the same time. If you skip this step or mix multiple tasks into one set of titles, your video loses its focus immediately. People click in expecting one calm experience, but instead they will get something messy and scattered, and that's when the watch time hours drops fast. When you lock the task and generate titles like this, every title points to the exact same slow cooking movement. No confusion, no mixed signals, no mental effort required. The viewer knows exactly what they are getting and that clarity is what stops the scroll. Moving on to the step number 2, let's go back to our Google Doc again and click on the story prompt. Now copy the full prompt and paste it into the ChatGPT. And before you regenerate, make two important changes. First, copy the title you just generated. I am using this one and paste it right here. Second, select the exact same task you logged in during the title generation. Do not change the task, don't experiment, don't add anything new. And once you regenerate, ChatGPT creates a slow, grounded story where nothing is rushed, every action is visible, and the entire scene stays locked to cooking. This story becomes the backbone of everything that we are creating next. It controls the pacing, the visuals, and the emotional flow. When this part done right, the video feels easy to watch and easy to stay with, and people don't even realize how long they have been staying with the video. And step number 3, go back to the Google Doc and go to the generate character prompts, copy it and paste it into the ChatGPT. And now take the full story you just generated and paste it here. When you run this, ChatGPT doesn't invent random characters. It extracts the characters directly from the story and locks the visual appearance in a Studio Ghibli style format. You get a clean, consistent descriptions of the father, mother and a child, face shape, clothing, textures, color tones, you get everything. This step is crucial because the descriptions that we used here will reused again in the images and videos that we are generating later. If you skip this or change it later, your video will lose its consistency. When this is done right, every scene will look like it belongs to the same chain of animation, same chain of scenes. Step number 4, generate the image prompts. Now you have to copy the full image prompt from Google Docs and paste it into the ChatGPT. Before hitting generate, make these 3 essential changes. First, paste the full story. This tells ChatGPT exactly what movements need to be visualized. Second, don't leave the image count blank. I set it to 30. This forces ChatGPT to break the story into clean step-by-step visual sequence instead of skipping movement. And third, paste the same task we'll be using, cooking. Don't change it. And when you hit generate, you get image prompts focus on single actions: calm, camera framing, gentle movements, and the same visual tone throughout. This is what turns a story into a watchable visual flow where nothing feels random. Now step number 6, we are coming to the most interesting part, creating our character images. So for that we are using Whisk by Google Labs. So first start by copying the character reference prompts, and now let's go to Whisk and paste it. Here I am going to set the aspect ratio to 1:1 and hit generate. The first result probably won't be perfect, don't panic. This is usually by second or third run the character locks in and looks exactly what we want to see. And now let's repeat this for mother and child. And here's an important step: once you create all 3 characters, drag and drop all 3 characters into the subject section. This is important because this will help these characters to stay consistent across every image and videos we are creating next. And now step number 6, take the first image prompt from your list, and now let's paste it into the Whisk. Now I'm going to change the aspect ratio to 16:9 and generate. And now you will immediately see the calm white composition, soft natural light, open kitchen, consistent characters. Take the second prompt and do the same, and keep going through the rest of the prompt. Some shots pull back to show the whole kitchen, others gently move closer to hands, water, food. Nothing feels random. By the time you finish all 30 images, you have a complete visual sequence that feels calm, believable, and easy to stay with. Now come to the step number 7, the most important part, video generation part. Let's see how to do that. Go back to Google Docs and copy the full video prompt, and now paste it into the ChatGPT. And now here you don't have to touch anything or change anything, just hit generate. Now ChatGPT converts all 30 images into 30 video prompts. Each one adds gentle motion, slow camera drift, soft zooms on hands and food, and ASMR safe ambient sound. The result is not just 30 random clips, it's a continuous calm film. And now step number 8, let's go to Flow, and now here open a project, and now upload the first image, and now take the relevant video prompt and paste it here. I use Veo 3, and now let's generate the video. And now this is the result. Camera moves slowly, lighting stays soft, nothing jumps or rushes, everything flows naturally like piece of the same quiet day. And now do this to your all 30 images. Now after creating all 30 video clips, we come to the final step. Open CapCut, and now drag all video clips into the timeline in order. Now you have to go slowly, check for pacing issues. Even a one awkward cut can ruin the entire calm vibe, so be careful. You can see there's a watermark. You can easily remove it by cropping that part. You can add subtle transitions or light effects, but keep it minimal because the goal is not to impress but to keep it calm and protect the mood. Then go to the YouTube audio library, and now try to download a peaceful ambient or soft piano track, and now place it under the video. Keep the volume low. It should support the scene, not lead it. Once everything is done, now you can export the video, and now you can easily upload it to the YouTube. And that's it. That's exactly how you create these kind of Ghibli style ASMR videos, and viewers will glue into these kind of videos because they want that escape to a calm, serene vibe in this chaotic world. So, if you think this video is helpful, and if you want to learn more about these kind of cool new AI tools and smart hustles and new business ideas, please consider subscribing. Let's meet with another video. Have a great week.